Hey, my name is Marijan Jozic and I'm Global Director of Business Development at SAITC. You have heard a lot of stories about PMA parts, especially those with no way PMA. Many uneducated and uninformed people are speculating about the quality of PMA parts. There is no reason for speculation and fear. Therefore, I invited the most prominent people from aviation who are dealing with PMA parts. Mr. Jason Dickstein, president of MARPA organization, and his team will be presenting at Aerotech conference and be available to answer all your questions. You will learn how to deal with EASA and Chinese CAC with respect to PMA parts. That will save you a ton of money. If you want to learn the facts about PMA parts, you should go to Aerotech conference in Charlotte. The PMA presentation and panel discussion will be on March 13 at 1 o'clock. See you in Charlotte.